In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to scan a QR code with the Amazon app. If you've ever spotted a QR code on a product box, a flyer, or a website and wanted to jump straight to the item on Amazon, this is the fastest way to do it. We'll walk through the process step by step so you can confidently scan and open the correct page without any guesswork. First, open the Amazon Shopping app on your mobile device. This works on both iPhone and Android, and you don't need any extra tools beyond the app and your phone's camera. Once the app is open, head straight to the search bar at the top of the screen. You don't have to type anything here. We're using it to access the built-in scanner. On the right side of the search bar, tap the small camera icon. This opens Amazon's visual search tools. You'll see options such as scan QR code and scan barcode. Choose scan QR code if you're looking at a square pixelated pattern, or select scan barcode if you're scanning the traditional vertical lines you see on packaging. Picking the right option helps the app recognize the code faster. If you're prompted to allow camera access, tap allow. This is necessary so the app can use your phone's camera to read the code. You only need to grant this permission once, and you can change it later in your device settings if needed. With the camera view open, point your phone at the QR code and hold it steady. Good lighting helps a lot, so avoid glare or shadows. Try to keep the code centered and fill a decent portion of the frame without getting too close. If the camera struggles to focus, slowly move your phone a little farther away and then back in until the code looks sharp. The Amazon app will automatically recognize the code. No need to press a button. When it locks on, it will open the related product or page right away. If nothing happens after a few seconds, adjust the angle, improve the lighting, or make sure you have an active internet connection. When it scans correctly, you'll be taken directly to the matching item, offer, or information page so you can review details, check prices, or add it to your cart. And that's it. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel for more Amazon tips and tutorials.